Now, finding slope from a graph is not so bad. It's pretty easy to do, but there are going to be times where I don't have a graph. Maybe I just have two different points. So let me show you. Let's use that last example that we just did, and let's take this point here because it goes through the graph nicely, and let's take this point over here because that also goes through the graph nicely. So as an ordered pair, I can write those points as -4, -3, and I can write the point 8, -6. Now, when I look at the graph for the rise over run, I have to come down this many units, and I have to go over this many units. So I need to find this distance right here, the rise. So the rise distance is going to be simply -6 minus a -3. That distance, if the vertical distance is going to be -6 minus a -3. And so if I look at my values in my ordered pairs, there's -6 and there's -3. So for my rise, I'll put rise over run. The rise is going to be -6 minus a -3. That's the distance of that vertical line. The distance of this horizontal line right here is going to be 8 minus a -4. 8 minus a -4. And so that's my run. 8 minus a -4. So when I simplify this, this is going to give me -3 over 12, which reduces to -1/4, which is what we got before. So in general, what we say is if I'm given an ordered pair, x1, y1, and a different ordered pair, x2, y2, and we're denoting the subscripts to be different. So x1 is different than x2, but they both are an xy ordered pair. Then the slope of the line is going to be simply the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that will give you the slope of any line given 2 points where you don't have to graph it.